Hi, in this tutorial, I would like to show you Laravel 8 CRUD operation example. We will implement a Laravel 8 CRUD application for beginners. I will give you simple example of how to create CRUD in Laravel 8. In order to follow this tutorial, you'll need to have PHP and MySQL installed on your development machine and Composer. In my PC, I already installed the WAMP server in which PHP, MySQL and Apache server comes into a package. In this first step, start up the WAMP server and let's create a MySQL database name MyDB using phpMyAdmin. In the second step, we need to get fresh Laravel 8 version application using command as shown in the video, so open your terminal or command prompt and run the command. In this step, you need to open the created Laravel folder from Visual Studio Code and open the .environment file and update the credentials to access your MySQL database. Now, we are going to create the CRUD application for product. So, we need to create migration for products table using Laravel 8 PHP artisan command as displayed in the video. Once the previous command executed, you will find one file in following path database, migrations, and you must put below code in your migration file for create products table. To avoid running into errors, you need to specify the default string length before running your migration. Open the file and add schema:"default string length 191 app/providers/app service provider.php as shown in the video. Now you must run this migration as shown in the video. You can check MySQL to confirm the table's creation. Here, we need to add resource root for product CRUD application. Open your root/web.php file and add following root. In this step, we should create new controller as product controller. So run the command as shown in the video to create new controller. Once the previous command executed, you will find new file in app/http:/controllers/productcontroller.php path. In this controller we'll create 7 methods: index, create, store, show, edit, update, and destroy. At this stage, you will find app/models/product.php and put the content as shown in the video in product.php file. For the last step, we must create blade files for the layout. Create new folder named products and resources/views/ and then create the following blade files to make a CRUD application. Now we are ready to run our CRUD application example with Laravel 8, so run php artisan serve command for quick run. Now, you can access your first CRUD application at http://127.0.0.1 to 8000/products.